This is going to be part 2 of Satin Scrunchie hairstyles for your thin, fine hair. On today's video, we are going to be doing my most viral messy bun ever, my flip and twist. This is a bun that people either love or they hate, and if they love it, it's because they've got it, and if they hate it, it's because they're still struggling with it. But it is what it is. I am not going to really go through the mechanics of this bun in this video because there are dozens of other videos for that, all linked in my bun tutorial playlist. You can find those and watch at your leisure if you still need help getting this bun. But I wanted to do this bun today with a scrunchie. It is done with a scrunchie in some of my other videos, but specifically today we are going to do it with the scrunchie because it's actually a great style to do with a scrunchie, because while the scrunchie is very soft and very gentle on your hair, it also adds a ton of volume. And once again, make sure we're using a scrunchie that we can wrap around your hair 2 times and get a secure fit. So we are going to grab the hair, we're going to pull over halfway, we are going to flip our ponytail over, plop everything on top, grabbing our fingers onto our scrunchie, pull it down over top, and then we're just going to fluff and pull all the hair around the scrunchie, and it's going to create the fantastic bun that we all love. My most done messy bun in my life. This is the one I do almost all the time when I put my hair up in a messy bun, and I do love to do it with a scrunchie because I feel like it turns out the biggest and the fluffiest with a scrunchie. I'm gonna loosen my base because you know I always like to do that. I don't like these buns as much when they're slicked back. And there we go. Bun done with the scrunchie. So it's just a little bit more gentle than a typical hair tie. Satin scrunchies are an awesome option if you have fragile, thin, fine hair, because they're definitely not going to break your hair as easily. I will link the ones that I have in the description. They're in my Amazon storefront. I think mine came in like a pack of 60 different colors for a very inexpensive price. I don't want to say exactly what it is because I feel like the price changes constantly, but it was very inexpensive. And honestly, they're my favorite ones I've ever used. They're the perfect size for my hair. They stay elastic for a really long time. They don't stretch out really over multiple uses. And the color selection is really fun because I can always find one that matches either my hair or my outfit. And because the hair is not super thick, you probably will see your scrunchie from time to time. But if it's a cute, shiny pink scrunchie in there, it just looks cute. So let me know if you have trouble finding those scrunchies, and I can make sure that my listing is still updated. But otherwise, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching today. I love having you here. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you next time.